In this example, I'm going to write an equation of the line tangent to the graph of f at this x value, x equals pi over 2. So in order to write the equation of a line, I'll need two pieces of information. I'll need to know an ordered pair that the line passes through, and also the slope of the line. Well, here I have an x value, so to find its accompanying y value, so I can complete that ordered pair, I'll need to find the value of f at pi over 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug it in. So I have pi over 2 squared times the sine of pi over 2. And pi over 2 squared looks like pi squared over 4. And then the sine of pi over 2 is 1. So it looks like I'll just have pi squared over 4. So my ordered pair then is pi over 2, pi squared over 4. And that will be an x value and a y value that I can use here in a second. Okay, so the other thing I need to write the equation of this tangent line is the slope. So in order to find the slope, I'll first need to find the derivative here. And it looks like I'm going to use the product rule. So it's the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. Okay? So now let's go ahead and plug that pi over 2 in, and that was our x value, and that will give us the slope at that point. So 2 times pi over 2 times the sine of pi over 2 plus, and that'll be pi over 2 squared times the cosine of pi over 2. Okay? Well, here these 2's cancel, so I have pi. The sine of pi over 2 is 1. And then I have pi squared over 4, and the cosine of pi over 2 is 0. So actually that cancels out, and it looks like my slope is just going to be pi. Okay, so I have my slope, and I have my ordered pair. So let's go ahead and write an equation for my tangent line, and we'll do it in point slope form. So y minus the y coordinate equals the slope times x minus the x coordinate. So it'll be y minus pi squared over 4 equals the slope, which is pi, times x minus the x coordinate, which was pi over 2. So here is an equation for the line tangent to the graph of this function at this given x value, x equals pi over 2. Let's go ahead and take a look at the graph.